Hub link building with Majestic SEO. Majestic SEO's Click Hunter should be one of your go-to tools for link building due to its focus on sites that are relevant and sites that are willing to link to other in your industry. Here's how to use it to find hubs and secure links. A while back, I wrote a piece outlining 78 of my favorite SEO resources. It was fairly well received, and based on some of the questions I received, I thought it wise to do a few articles outlining how I use some of the features of these tools. This post will look at how to build links around industry hubs using Majestic SEOs and Hunters. For those who are more familiar with the RF's Majestic Hunter is similar to the domain comparison tool in their lab section. I use a wide variety of tools ranging from free add-ons like SEO Quick to custom developed tools for more specific needs. However, Majestic has been one of the core pet tools we rely on for some time now because they have a sizable index of links, and in this case at least size matters a lot. The bigger it is, the better you can use it. So let's get to it. Here's how you can use Majestic SEOs Hunters to find hubs and secure links. Link building using Majestic SEOs Click Hunter. Before we get into how to use the tool, we should probably cover why less things about what the Click Hunter produces and what it represents. By following the steps outlined below, you will be provided with a list of domains that links to multiple top-ranking competitors for a specific term. So let's think about that for a moment. A domain linking to 5 of the top 5 ranking sites that does not link to you is likely relevant, strong, happy to link to site in your industry. Now it has to be noted in advance that simply because a site appears in Hunter does not mean it's good. In a world where we fight for every link and where relevancy and context are increasingly important, every mechanism to increase the odds of a solid lead on a link is welcome. We will discuss this more later on, but for now let's cover the steps required to pull some great backlinks leads out of the data provided by Majestic SEO. Because I do not want to list off anything that might be competitive for our readers, or let's face facts, myself or one of our clients, I am going to go with the SEO blog. The top 5 ranking URLs in the result are next. Enters these URLs as well as your own into Hunters and clicks Hunt. For fun, I have used the page 3 ranking to represent our site. Export the result. Data is significantly easier to deal with when you can apply whatever starting you like. For this reason, I never work in the web interface and instead download the result into a spreadsheet.